problem like this? Anong approach ang dapat nating gawin kapag ganito ang mga problema natin? Una, data gathering. So, gaano kadalas yung errors, no? Gaano kadalas lumilitaw yung quality issues. Next is to analyze. An example of analysis that you can do is yung tinatawag nating root cause analysis, no? Yung gamit yung fishbone diagram, or Ishikawa diagram, 5 whys, or why analysis. So, hindi pwedeng isolve mo yung problema na complicated nang hindi po pa siya naiintindihan. So, kailangan mo munang maintindihan yung problema, and the way to do that is do step 1 and do step 2. And then you move to step 3. You respond. So, you develop and implement a solution based on the analysis, considering multiple possible approaches. So, pwede tayong mag-brainstorming, no? Pwede tayong mag-scamper technique na ituturo ko po next week. Maraming paraan para mag-generate ng mga solutions to try and solve the problem, no? And pang-apat, syempre, pagkatapos mo solusyonan, i-evaluate mo yung effectiveness ng iyong solution and make adjustments as necessary.